Gabrielle Reyes here, one great vegan. And today I'm in the kitchen showing y'all how to make one of my favorite recipes from my musical cookbook coming out December 17th. Check it out. Green bean casserole, green bean casserole. Let the flavors take control with green bean casserole. To get this recipe going and glowing, you're gonna start off by soaking some raw cashews for about 3 to 5 hours. This is what's gonna be the base for that creamy cashew sauce. In a big pan, you're gonna wanna add some vegan butter and then saute down those onions and garlic. My butter is melted down, so now I'm gonna add in 1 cup of my diced up white onions. Saute these babies down until they are clear and beautiful. We are halfway through sauteing down our white onions, so let's add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Yes, seasoning is gonna be fierce. To help these onions cook down quicker and also to make this dish taste fabulous, we're gonna salt all the way through. I'm gonna add in some salt to my onions and garlic. I'm adding in 3 cups of my chopped up mushrooms. This is gonna add a nice meaty texture. And who doesn't love a green bean casserole with mushrooms in it? Add in 3 cups of your chopped up mushrooms straight into your pan. Saute down your mushroom, mushroom, mushroom. Saute down your mushroom. Pour on in about 1/2 cup of vegetable broth to help all of that seasoning and spice sink on into those mushrooms. Salt and pepper, salt and pepper, salt and pepper, salt and pepper. Add in your desired amount of salt and pepper. Cover your mushrooms on up and let's work on that creamy cashew sauce. First ingredient into our creamy cashew sauce, cashews. And this is gonna give us extra protein as well as fiber in this recipe. Cashews. In goes our plant-based milk. Today I am using coconut milk and I'm adding in 1 cup. Plant-based milk, baby. Get in there, get in there. For a little bit of zing and also to balance this whole creamy dish out, let's add in 1 tablespoon of some lemon juice. Seasoning is everything when you're making vegan food. The seasoning we are adding in here today is 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and onion powder. Into your blender. Ha-ha! Maple syrup. I love to add maple syrup into so many of my vegan cheese sauces, so let's add in 1 tablespoon right into our blender. Maple syrup. Yes, girl, get in there, girl. Little bit of sweetness. Add in your salt, and then we're gonna add in our pepper as well. Let's blend this cashew cheese sauce up until it's nice and creamy. Oh, yes. A little bit of sweet, savory, salty, that little bit of lemon juice. Ooh, let's add this into our pan along with our green beans, and then we can bake it. Pour in that dressing. Get it all up in there. This is what's gonna fill us on up. Add in that protein. That's gonna taste so fierce, y'all. Oh, give this a good mix. Make sure all those mushrooms are mixing in with that cashew cream. If you know what I mean. As you heat up your creamy cashew situation, you're gonna see it start to thicken up, and that's what you want. Once it's nice and thick, add in those green beans. Let's add in our green beans. I am adding in about 5 cups of my cooked green beans straight into my pan. In they go. Mix that casserole. Mix together everything in your pan until every single bean is covered in some cream. Ooh, look at this green bean cream situation. Let's add it into a glass baking dish and then sprinkle over some crushed potato chips. In goes our green bean cream into our casserole dish. I'm gonna load it all the way up, y'all, and then sprinkle over those crushed potato chips. If you know anything about me, you know I am obsessed with potato chips. So of course, we're gonna crush these up and sprinkle them on over our green bean casserole. Ah, this is the fun part. Green bean casserole, let's bake it up. We're gonna bake up our green bean casserole at 425 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until that potato chip topping is nice and golden brown. Green bean casserole, let the flavors take control with green bean casserole. Time to serve myself up some of this deliciousness. Ooh, I'm gonna get myself a big bite. Look at all of that. Going in my mouth. Hey, going in my mouth, going in my mouth. Hey. I have served myself up some of this gorgeous green bean casserole, and it's time to dig on in, my loves. Ah, yes, yes. Come on, celebration in my mouth. Come on, happy holidays. Come on, home cooking. This is so fabulous, y'all. You have to get yourself in the kitchen, get yourself going, get yourself glowing, and make yourself some green bean casserole. My loves, I had so much fun teaching y'all how to create this gorgeous green bean casserole. If you want to find more fierce and fabulous recipes just like this, go to onegreatvegan.com and reserve yourself a copy of my musical cookbook, jam-packed full of over 120 music-infused recipes, sweets, treats, desserts, workout videos, anything for your spirit and soul. And get yourself in the kitchen. I'll see you all next time. Bye.